So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished replacing a Moen cartridge here. It's the 1222, and so that's right there. It's for the posi-temp valve, and this is a home. It's only 3 years old. Why it failed, I do not know. It's simply, the outer housing is made of plastic and rubber, and the inner housing is a brass stem that goes in there, and it was spinning in circles. So they got up, the homeowners got up this morning, and something happened. The valve wouldn't shut off at all, and they had to shut the home down until this is replaced. So water's been off, and we did let them know that this house has a combination fire sprinkler system and potable water system. So when you shut off the house, you're shutting off the fire sprinklers, and so you're kind of in a catch-22. Just be mindful that you won't have any fire protection while the water's down, and you certainly can if something happened while the water's off for some reason. If you happen to get a fire, just go turn the water back onto the home. Don't feel like there's nothing you can do. Get out there as quick as you can and get the water turned back on. So anyways, the cartridge has been replaced in Moen 1222. We use original equipment. We don't go out and buy the Dancos to try and save money. We like to get right with Moen and use their products. So that's the old one. I don't know what, like I say, perhaps it got overextended. This valve is supposed to function from dead bottom. It goes, it turns counterclockwise, cold, warm, hot, and then it has a hard stop. So over opening and over closing the valve could snap something loose. But again, it's only 3 years old, so I'm not sure what happened here. Anyway, so water's back onto the home, as you can see here. Hot and cold, and we wanted to leave this off until we got the water back on, just to make sure that this stem was in the right position. Typically there's a little notch on the bottom right here of the stem, and you can see it right here. See, there's a little notch, and that typically goes down, which means hot is on the left and cold is on the right. So it'll function correctly as you open it. Cold, warm, hot. If you get it upside down, it'll go hot, cold, warm. Hot, warm, cold, and you can see it's marked on here. Anyways, we'll get the cover plate back on here with the stop tube. You got the temperature limiter goes back on there. We'll get your handle back on, and outside of that, this installation is done.